First, open any browser on your mobile device and search for Recover Deleted Gmail Account. From the search results, tap on the first link that says Recover a recently deleted Google account. Once the page opens, look for the link that says Follow the steps to recover your account and tap on it. This will take you to Google's account recovery page. Now enter the Gmail address you want to recover and tap Next. If the account was deleted recently, you'll see a message saying, "This account was recently deleted and may be recoverable." Simply tap Next to proceed with the recovery. You may be asked to verify your identity by entering the last password you remember, or by using a verification code sent to your phone or recovery email. Once you verify your identity, Google will give you the option to restore your account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to recover a deleted Gmail account using your phone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.